friends, Auntie Cuckoo here in Hobby Lobby to look at all the Easter decor. So you know that means I'm inviting you to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So the first thing I find when I come in is the Easter Island, and it is chock full of all kinds of things to look at. So we'll just kind of peruse right here, look at a few things, and then we'll go up and down the aisles to see what else they've got. Super cute little bunny. This is actually part of a set we're going to see here in a minute. And they do have these miniature cupcake pedestals for $3.99. They have them in a few different colors, and they're just slightly smaller than the ones at Target. Here's their Happy Easter sign. It's out every year, but this year it's out in a few different colors. Really like the look of this guy. Looks like a very farmhouse little bunny, and they have them in a few different poses. Here's another little bunny. They have this guy in a few different colors and poses as well. And I think we saw this tall fellow at Ross when we were there. Looks super familiar. Of course, they have quite a few really adorable signs. Love this little chubby guy. So scary to look over here, and it's so full, I'm afraid I'm going to knock something over. Now, Target has something similar to this. Theirs is a little bit bigger. I love the little set of carrots down there. Here's a really pretty set of 3 bunnies together. This little chippy guy is pretty cute. Here's another cute little sign for $7.99. Right behind me there's this whole end cap, and the first bunny goes with this little set. So they definitely have any kind of bunny you've ever dreamt of, from different colors to different styles, different poses. If you are a bunny fan, you may want to make it over to Hobby Lobby soon, because they are putting out quite a few. Now these little birds, you guys, I saw them in someone's video at the Dollar Tree. Am I correct? Are they coming to the Dollar Tree? Because I would love to pick them up. Maybe use them in a fairy garden. I did get this little guy last year for a Easter DIY with the 2 Utes. Cute little set of 3 sheep. And how cute are these little chicks with their bunny ears on. I love the brown ones as well. These are definitely my favorite style. I picked up something similar last year in a bigger version. I just love their clothes. Now let's take a look at some Easter eggs. Hobby Lobby has a ton of different bagged sets of Easter eggs. All of them range between $3.99 and $5.99 depending on the design. They have pastel, they have bright, they have speckled, they have muted colors. I have these from a few years back with some really pretty pictures of bunnies on them. You name it, they've got it, and they've got it in a bagged set of eggs. I really am not a total fan of the whole gold thing, but these, I have to admit, are really pretty eggs. And then they did more substantial ones. And these were truly beautiful. $3.99, very large. As you can see, a different marbled color on each one of them. Then some more matte finish, and these massive speckled eggs. I have big man hands, and these are huge. Then they have these, which are more of like a heavy ceramic, and they have them in all these colors, laying down and standing up. And a few different ornamental eggs that were really, really beautiful. Love the chick on that one. The floral is very pretty. Lots of large hanging eggs if you do a seasonal tree. Plenty of garlands from floral to eggs. I thought this one was pretty unique with just the blue, green, and yellow. These were very large burlap style flowers, something you could probably add to a wreath. Tons of baskets in all of the colors you could ever imagine. These were my favorite. I just really like the shape. They're metal and they're $4.99. Of course, they have the more simple baskets and buckets, but I really liked that shape. They were tiny, but adorable. So now we'll head over to where all of the dishware and dish towels are. They did have out an Easter welcome mat, something I'd probably use indoors. I remember these plates from a year or two past. Now, one of you I remember was asking if I had seen a salt and pepper shaker in the white bunnies. And I can tell you that Hobby Lobby has this set with the bunny and the carrot. I really like this little sort of cheese plate with the knife. And look at these pillows. They are beautiful. $11.99. I love both of them. I just wish they were selling the covers and not the whole pillow, because I don't have a lot of room for storage for pillows. Really pretty platter, and I really do like these plates. This is something I would keep an eye open for after season to see if it goes on sale. This is kind of a muslin backed runner, and as you can imagine, all the Easter dish towels. And look at this plate. I think it is just adorable. Little egg shape. It comes in all the colors. And that's kind of like the size of maybe a small salad plate. And then they have these, which are really heavy, beautiful, and I love the ridges on them that coordinate. The little egg holders. Here's more of those miniature cupcake stands. The napkin rings. And some really cute little broken egg baskets. Some ceramic bunny baskets. And this is almost, I guess, probably a spoon holder. Now you guys, I did have the thought to maybe buy these and turn them into pillows. I love the print on those. And now we're going to look at all of the wreaths. They didn't have a ton of just traditional wreaths, but they did a lot of this type of thing, sort of a hanging basket. Quite pricey. I would definitely wait till there was a good sale. Some coordinating napkin rings. That would be a very fun DIY. Cute little egg nest. This, I think, is my favorite bunny this year. I like the wood all around the sides, in the darker wood, and then the more natural wood in the center. I picked up a pair of these Mossy Bunnies at the 99-cent only store, and here they are $6.99. So this is actually an Easter charger. Look at that. Just some more little decorative nests with eggs in them. I think these are adorable. Very vintage looking little canisters for $5.99. They have the yellow, blue, and green. Here's another one of their little miniature wreaths with the bunny in the middle. The hanging nest. So this is what I was talking about, not a whole lot of just traditional wreaths. Here's a little topiary. This is a very cute sign. They have this one and then one with the little chicks right down there. Here's an egg wreath that is chocked full for $34.99. And I thought these were kind of fun. They could last throughout spring. Just little open umbrellas. Of course, you'd have to probably buy the stuff to go inside them, so that could get pricey, but I thought those were cute. Here's more of the sisal style bunnies, and we all know that these can be so pricey. Here's one that's just a bunny face on a little stick you could add to an arrangement or a wreath. And they did have bundles of carrots for $2.99 in sets of 3. So if you can't find them at your Target, Hobby Lobby does have them. Here's more of the traditional wooden crosses. And the little white bunny with her little crown on. This set is so precious. Very, very cute. Love his little bow tie and carrot, but he's $19.99. Here's a really nice neutral hanging bunny wreath style figure. What would you guys call this? They have it also in the moss. And now we're going to just look at more of the Easter signs. You could definitely use this as a door hanging. They do have a couple of different hanging banners. This one does say Happy Easter. This one just says Easter in the moss for $11.99. And we have lots of carrots. So this is a carrot garland. Really, really adorable. This guy is really big and tall and heavy, and he comes with a stand behind him so you could hang him or just stand him up by himself. I fell in love with this little lamb. Very pricey, but super, super adorable. Here is more of the spiral metal carrots. And they have them in garden stakes and then just hanging versions. Here's a couple of the small, tiny, tiny Mossy Bunnies for $2.99. And more signs. Now you guys, this is ringing a bell. Didn't we see something like this at Big Lots? I love these old-fashioned looking, almost like postcards. These would be a lot of fun if you did do an Easter tree. Here are a few little chicks in the garden stakes. These, something about them just screams baby shower to me. Here's some more little chicks and the garden stakes in the crosses. At first glance, I thought these little birds were eggs, but they're actually little birdies. Now these are quite heavy, and I was checking for the price and to see if they had easels. They do not. They're just hanging pieces for $24.99 in the blue and pink. These are probably my favorite every year. I have never picked one up, but I just love this look of the old-fashioned, almost postcard look. Here is another garden stake, and these actually remind me a lot of the ones we found at Big Lots. I'm finding a lot of similarities between here and our shop with me at Big Lots. I've now seen about 4 items that are duplicates, so very interesting. These are beautiful. I love the Hello Spring and Happy Easter hanging signs. Looky here, Hobby Lobby also has the 3 bunny sign. I love this sign, you guys. I kept looking at it. It's really adorable. They also have it in Somebody Loves You, and it's affordable. It definitely has the whole farmhouse feel. I did not pick it up on this trip, but I'm not opposed to it in the future. That's for sure. Here's some more colorful signs in the welcome. And some cute little hanging wooden bunnies. He has risen indeed. Just looking to see if there was any other prints, but that was the only one. And for all you truck lovers, they do have a pink truck with an egg in the back of it. Here's the large bunny again that we saw earlier, and it is $21.99. There's a better look at the pink Easter truck. I know these little bunnies down here that say welcome are definitely also at Big Lots. Now this set of bunnies was actually back more in the garden-y decor area. I found these little signs on an end cap in the same area, and just a few more little goodies on my way out. Plenty of arrangements to buy if you're not into doing your own little DIYs. This is so cute. So these are about the size of a soup can, and they're just really adorable little buckets for $2.99. So did anything catch your guys' eye today? Comment down below and let me know if anything did. I think it's super interesting that Big Lots is putting out some similar items. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed this Easter Hobby Lobby shop with me, and I'll see you all very soon in the next one.